Hi, I'm Chris Rafael Biniglas and I'm from PBL11A. Ngayon, ang iluluto ko ngayon ay spam soup. Bago tayo magsimula, kailangan muna natin mag-proper hand washing. First is wet your hand with running water. Next is apply the soap in your palm. Rub it in your hand. Is right palm over left dorsum with interlaced finger and vice versa. Palm to palm with finger interlaced. Next, box of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Next, rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Next, rotational rubbing backwards and forwards will clasp fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. And scrub your waist vice versa. Rinse your hand with running water. Lastly, dry your hand with clean towel. Before we cook, we need to sanitize our workplace to prevent bacteria and viruses in our food or ingredients. Because if we don't sanitize our workplace, the bacteria or viruses, it will contaminate the food or ingredients. Separation is one of the important principle of food safety. This prevents harmful bacteria to transfer from raw food to foods that are safe to eat. By the way, this is my ingredients. Sliced luncheon meat. In luncheon meat, it depends on you how many luncheon meat you slice. Scrambled egg and the sauce. The ingredients of the sauce is soy sauce, ketchup, water, and sugar. In serving, we need to use another utensil to taste and for serve. This is effective way to prevent contamination, protect from health risks, and to maintain the food quality. After we serve our meal, we need to wash again our hands to clean. Just like what